This tutorial offers a brief overview regarding Google Drive. Please remember the preferred browser to utilize is Google Chrome. Once you have logged into your Google account, you will see in the upper right-hand corner a 9-tiled square. If you click on that square, a drop-down will appear. Locate the 3-colored triangle, also known as the icon for Google Drive. Please click on that icon. Google Drive is an online storage space. Within the drive, you are able to upload any file format and share it with other Google users. Since this is an EDU account, it does not have storage limitations. When you view Drive, the section of the window containing all files and folders by default is Grid View. You can also change that view to List View by selecting the 3 bars option on the right-hand corner. This is directly below the 9 tiles that was previously selected to navigate Google Drive. As time goes on, some may be overwhelmed by the amount of files you have created and stored. In the left-hand navigation, there are filters that will assist you. By default, My Drive will be selected. My Drive is a list of files you have created or uploaded to your online space. Directly below that, you will see a Shared with Me. This will only list files and folders that someone else uploaded to Google Drive and shared with you. Remember, when looking for a file, ask yourself, who created the file? If you created it, the file will be stored in My Drive. If someone shared that file and they are the creator, the file will be housed within Shared with Me. The next filter will be where you spend most of your time, which is entitled Recent. Recent does not care who created the file, but rather lists the files in chronological order. The last document you opened will appear on the top. Another filter is entitled Starred. This will contain files that you have added a star to. I suggest if there is a file that you will need to frequently access, you should add a star. This file will appear when you select that filter. Some possible files to star could be meeting agendas, student data, or lesson plans. This will save you time locating that file. If you have never added a star to a file before, you need to select the file. Once the file is selected, look for 3 vertical dots located on the left of the List View icon, also described as 3 bars. When you click on those dots, a menu will appear, and you will be able to select Add Star. If you realize the file does not need to be accessed as frequently, you can repeat the same process, and instead of Add Star, the direction will say Remove Star. Just think of stars as a way to quickly bookmark a file for your use later. The last filter is the trash can. This will contain any items that you have deleted. Please be aware that you are only allowed to delete items that you have created. Be aware if you shared a file with someone and decided to trash it, that person will no longer have access to the file because it will be deleted within their drive as well. If you decide to trash an item that you are not the original creator, it will just remove it from your view within Drive. The item's owner is the only one with the power to delete it. To maximize productivity, you do not want to scroll through all the files within your drive. You can utilize the search box with the magnifying glass in the top of your drive screen. All you need to do is type a single word and it will locate all the files with that name in it. If there are multiple files with the same name, you can use the arrow keys to scroll up and down through those options. However, if you hit the Enter key after that specific word, it will pull up every file that has the word mentioned somewhere within that file. Whenever you are searching for a file or looking in your drive, folders will appear at the top of the list. Folders are a way to organize your online space. Folders can contain subfolders. There are a few ways to add folders, but the simplest way is to select the New button on the left side, and the first option you see will be a folder with a plus on it. When you click that a box will appear in the center of your screen. This will allow you to title your folder and select the blue button that says Create. If you want to see all the folders you have within a list view, you can select the arrow located next to My Drive on the left. This will expand out and show you all the folders located within your drive. This list view will assist you in adding files to the specific folders that you have created. All you have to do is select a file you want to move and drag it and drop it into that folder. Another way to move a file is to select the file and right-click and select the option Move To, and it will bring up all the folders, and you select the folder and click Move. Sometimes you may not have a folder created yet. If you realize that in the bottom right of the box, you will see an icon with a folder with a plus, which will allow you to create a new folder. I touched upon the button entitled New. This button allows you the ability to create a folder, upload a file, folder upload. You can upload a whole folder as long as you are using the internet browser Google Chrome, and also allows you access to the applications within G Suite: Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, and Drawings. Take a few moments to locate and identify the areas that were discussed within this tutorial. If you have any questions regarding Google Drive, please let me know.